We are pleased to show you the 2017 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, driver convenience group, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, tachometer, universal garage door opener, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.